Good afternoon to all. Today our topic is color model. The purpose of color model is to facilitate the specification of colors in some standard. In essence, a color model is a specification of a coordinate system and subspace within that system where each color is represented by single point. Most color model in use today are oriented either towards a hardware means such as color monitor and printer, or towards application where color manipulation is a goal, that is such as in the creation of color graphics for animations. In terms of digital image processing, the hardware oriented models most commonly used in a practice are RGB model means red, green, blue model for color monitors and a broad class of color video cameras. Next one is the CMY means cyan magenta yellow model and CMYA, that is cyan magenta yellow black model for color printing, and last one is HSI means hue saturation intensity model, which correspond closely with the way human describe and interpret the color. The HSI model also has the advantages that it decouples the color and grayscale information in an image, making it suitable for many of the grayscale techniques developed in this topic. There are numerous color models we use today due to the fact that color science is a broad field that encompasses many areas of applications. The first color model is RGB color model. RGB means red, green, blue color model. In RGB model, each color appears in its primary spectral components of red, green and blue. This model is based on the Cartesian coordinate system. The color subspace of interest is the cube as shown in figure, in which RGB primary values, that is a red, green, blue primary values, are at the three corners. The secondary color cyan, magenta and yellow are at three other corners. Black is at the origin and white is at the corner farthest from the origin. In this model, the grayscale points of equal RGB values extends from black to white along the line joining these 2 points. The different colors in these models are point on or inside the cube and defined by the vectors extending from the origin. For convenience, the assumption is that all color values have been normalized so that the cube as shown in figure is the unit cube. That is, the all values of R, G and B are assumed to be in the range 0 and 1. The figure shows the RGB color model. Image represent in the RGB color model consist of three components images, one of each primary colors. When fed into an RGB monitor, these three images combine on the screen and produces a composite color image as we discussed earlier. The number of bits used to represent each pixel in RGB space is called as pixel depth. Consider an RGB image in which each of the red, green and blue images is at 8-bit image. Under these conditions, each RGB color pixel is said to have a depth of 24 bits, that is the 3 image planes times the number of bit per plane. The term full color image is used too often to denote 24 bits RGB color image. The total number of colors in RGB bit in 24 RGB bit is 2 raised to 8 raised to 3 because triplet that is a RGB. Therefore 2 raised to 8 raised to 3 is equal to 16777,216. As shown in figure, the 24-bit RGB color cube corresponding to the diagram we discussed earlier. For this diagram, we draw the RGB 24-bit color. The convenient way to view these colors is to generate color planes, that is, faces or cross section of the cube. This is accomplished simply by fixing one of the three colors and allowing the other two to vary. For instance, a cross-sectional plane through the center of the cube and parallel to the GP plane, as shown in figure, is the plane of 127, G, B. For G, B is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to 255. Means 255. Here we use the actual pixel values rather than the mathematically convenient normalized values in the range 0, 1 because the former values are the ones actually used in a computer to generate the colors. The figure shows the image of the cross-sectional plane is viewed simply by feeding three individual component images into a color monitor, as shown in figure 8. In the component images, 0 represents black and 255 represents white. Finally, as shown in figure B, the three hidden surface planes of the cube is generated as we earlier discussed. It is of the interest to note that acquiring a color image is basically the process is reversed if, as we discussed before. A color image can be acquired by using three filters sensitive to red, green and blue respectively. When we view a color scene with a monochrome camera equipped with one of these filters, the result is a monochrome image whose intensity is proportional to the response of that filter. Repeating this process with each filter produces three monochrome images that are the RGB component images of the color scene. In practice, the RGB color image sensor usually integrate this process into a single device. Clearly, for displaying these three RGB component images as shown in figure would yield an RGB color rendition of the original color scene. While high-end display cards and monitors provide a reasonable rendition of the colors in a 24-bit RGB image, many systems in use today are limited to 256 colors. Also, there are numerous applications in which it simply makes no sense to use more than a few hundred and sometimes fewer colors. A good example of this is provided by the pseudo-color image processing techniques. Given the variety of systems in current use, it is of considerable interest to have a subset of colors that are likely to be reproduced faithfully, reasonably independently of viewer hardware capabilities. This subject of colors is called the set of safe RGB colors or the set of all system safe color. In internet application, they are called as a safe wave colors or safe browser color. For internet application, they are called safe wave colors or safe browser colors. On the assumptions that 256 colors is the minimum number of colors that can be reproduced faithfully by any system in which a desired result is likely to be displayed. It is useful to have an accepted standard notation to refer to these colors. 40 of these 256 colors are known to be processed differently by various operating systems, leaving only 216 colors that are common to most systems. These 216 colors have become the de facto standard for a safe color, especially in internet applications. They are used whenever it is desired that the colors viewed by most people appear the same. Each of the 216 safe colors is formed from the 3 RGB values as before, but each value can only be 0, 51, 102, 153, 204 or 255. Thus, RGB triplet of these values given us 6 raised to 3 means 6 cube is equal to 216 possible values. It is customary to express these values in a hexagonal number system, since it takes 3 members or 3 numbers to form an RGB color. Each safe color is formed from 3 of the 2-digit hex number. For example, the purest rate is FF0000. The values 000, 000 and FFF represent black and white respectively. Keep in mind that the same result is obtained by using the more familiar decimal notation. For instance, the brightest red in a decimal notations has R is equal to 255, that is a FF, and G is equal to and B is equal to 0. The square in the top left array has a value FFF, that is a white, and the second square to its right has a value FFF, The third square has a value FFF, 99 and so on for the first row, and the second row of the same array has a values FFCC. Next one FFCC, and next one is FFCC99 and so on. The final square of the array has a value FF0000. The second array to the right of the one just examined starts with the value CCFF and proceed in the same manner as do the other remaining 4 array. The final, that is the bottom right square of the last array has a values 000000, that is a value black. It is important to note that not all possible 8-bit gray colors are included in the 216 safe color. As shown in figure, the hex code for all the possible gray color in the 256 colors RGB system. Some of these values are outside of the safe color set but are represented properly in terms of their relative intensities by the most display system. The grays from the safe color, that is a K 16 for K is equal to 0, 3, 6, 9, C, F are shown in figure. The next model is a CMY and CMYK color model. That is, CMY means sand magnetite yellow color model and CMYK means sand magnetite yellow and black color model. It is made of secondary colors Some printers and devices are used secondary color instead of primary color. The primary colors are RGB and secondary colors are CMY. For example, when a surface coated with a cyan pigment is illuminated with a white light, no red light is reflected from the surface. That is, a cyan subtracts the red light from the reflected white light, which itself is composed of an equal amount of red, green and blue light. Most devices that deposit color pigment on a paper, such as a color printers and copies, requires CMY data input or perform an RGB to CMY conversion internally. This conversion is performed using the simple operation that is a determinant of CMY is equal to determinant of 111 minus determinant of RGB, where all the color values have been normalized to the range of 0, 1. The equation demonstrates that light reflected from a surface coated with a pure cyan does not contain red, that is C is equal to 1 minus R in the equation. Similarly, the pure magenta does not reflect green and pure yellow does not reflect blue also. The equation also reveals that the RGB values can be obtained easily from the set of CMY values by subtracting the individual CMY values from 1. As we indicated earlier, in image processing, this color model is used in a connection with generating hard copy output, so the inverse operation from CMY to RGB is generally of a little practical interest. According to the equation, the equal amount of pigment, primaries, cyan, magenta and yellow should be produced black. In practice, combining three colors or this color for printing produces muddy looking black. So in order to produce true black, which is the predominant color in printing, a fourth color black is added, giving rise to the CMYK color model. Thus, when publishers talk about the 4-color printing, they are referring to the 3 colors of CMY color model plus black, that is CMYK color model. The figure below shows the CMYK component of images of the RGB image. The full color image is the RGB image, then it is converted into, or it is represented in the form of CMYK component, that is cyan, magenta, yellow, black component images. Then next one is the HSI model. The RGB and CMY models and changing from one model to the another is the straightforward process. As noted earlier, these color systems are ideally suited for or suitable for hardware implementation. In addition, the RGB system matches nicely with the fact that the human eye is strongly perceptive to the red, green and blue primaries. Unfortunately, the RGB, CMY and the other similar color models are not well suited for describing the colors in terms that are practical for human interpretation. For example, one does not refer to the color of an automobile by giving the percentage of each of the primaries composing its color. Furthermore, we do not think of color images as being composed of 3 primary images that combine to form that a single image. When a human views a color object, we describe it by its hue, saturation and brightness. Hue is the color attribute that describe the pure color, that is a pure yellow, orange or red, whereas saturation gives a measure of the degree to which the pure color is diluted by white light. And brightness is a subjective descriptor that is practically impossible to measure. It embodies the achromatic notation or notion of intensity and is one of the key factors in describing the color sensation. We do know that the intensity, that's a gray level, is the most useful descriptor of a monochromatic images. This quality or quantity definitely is measurable and easily interpretable. The model we are about to present called as the HSI color model, that is a hue, saturation and intensity model. It decouples the intensity component from the color carrying information, that is hue and saturation in a color image. As a result, the HSI model is an ideal tool for developing image processing algorithm based on color descriptions that are natural and intuitive to humans, who after all are the developers and users of this algorithm. We can summarize by saying that RGB is the ideal for image color generations, as in image captured by a color camera or an image display in a monitor screen, but its use for color description is much more limited. The material that follows provides an effective way to do this. In the arrangement as shown in figure, the line joining the black, that is the intensity axis, and a white vertices is a vertical. Thus, if we wanted to determine the intensity component of any color point in figure, we would simplify, pass a plane perpendicular to the intensity axis and containing the color point. The intersection of the plane with the intensity axis would give us a point with the intensity values in the range 0, 1. We also note that with a little thought that the saturation, that is a purity of a color, increases as a function of distance from the intensity axis. In fact, the saturation of the points on the intensity axis is 0, as evidenced by the fact that all points along these axes are gray. In order to see how hue can be determined also from a given RGB point, consider the figure B, which shows the plane defined by 3 points, that is a black, white and cyan. The fact that black and white points are contained in the plane tells us that the intensity axis also is contained in the plane. Furthermore, we see that all points contained in a plane segment defined by intensity axis, and the boundaries of the cube have a same hue, that is cyan in this case. We would arrive at the same conclusion by recalling that all the colors generated by 3 colors lie in the triangle defined by those colors. If 2 of those points are black and white and the third is the color point, all points on the triangle would have the same hue, because the black and white component cannot change the hue. Of course, the intensity and the saturation of point in this triangle will be different. By rotating the shaded plane about the vertical intensity axis, we would obtain the different hues. From these concepts, we arrive at the conclusion that the hue, saturation and intensity values, that is a HSI values required to form the HSI space, can be obtained from the RGB color cube. That is, we can convert any RGB point to the corresponding point in the HSI color model by working out the geometrical formulas describing the reasoning outlined in the preceding discussion. The key points regarding to the cube as shown in figure is its corresponding HSI color space is that HSI space is represented by the vertical intensity axis and the locus of color points that lie on the plane perpendicular to these axes. axis. As the planes move up and down the intensity axis, the boundaries defined by the intersection of each plane with the four faces of the cube have either triangular or a hexagonal shape. This can be visualized much more readily by looking at the cube down its grayscale axis as shown in figure. In this plane, we see that primary colors are separated by 120 degree and the secondary color are separated by 60 degree from primaries, which means that the angle between the secondaries also is 120 degree. The figure B shows the same hexagonal shape and arbitrary color point shown as a dot. The hue of the point is determined by an angle from some reference point, usually but not always an angle of 0 degree from the red axis designates 0 hue, and the hue increases counterclockwise from there. The saturation, that is distance from the vertical axis, is the length of vector from the origin to the point. Note that the origin is defined by the intersection of a color plane with the vertical intensity axis. The important component of the HSI color space are the vertical intensity axis, the length of the vector to a color point, and the angle this vector makes with the red axis. Therefore, it is not unusual to see the HSI plane defined in terms of hexagon, as we just discussed. A triangle or even a circle as shown in figure C or D, the shape chosen does not matter because any one of these shapes can be wrapped into one of the other two by a geometrical transformation. The figure shows the HSI model based on the color triangles and also on a circle. In this lecture, we are study about three color models, that are RGB color model, that is a red, green, blue color model, the CMY or CMYK color model, that is a sand magenta yellow color model, and sand magenta yellow black color model, and the last one color model is the HSI color model, HSI hue saturation intensity color model. In next lecture, we will discuss about how we can convert HSI to RGB and RGB to HSI. Thank you guys.